Hello guys, it's your girl Martina and this is Super Dollars TV. I'm right now at Chinesco Lighting's company. It's like paradise, right? For those of you that have eyes of aesthetics, who have high taste for beautiful things, when it comes to lightings for your offices, for your homes, for that building, for that hotel, I want you to know that Chinesco Lighting Company is your best plug. For that new structure that you are putting up, whether it be from scratch to finish, Chinesco Lighting Company got you covered. Whether it be for your wirings, for your fittings, for sockets, or any other electrical materials that you may need, Chinesco got you covered. They deal on original wiring materials such as Coleman, Pure Chem for your residential and commercial buildings. They also deal on all type of lighting such as chandeliers, wall brackets, fans, bulbs, sockets, fittings, and all electrical appliances and accessories. They are located at 25 Agor Palace Way by Ali Dada bus stop, Okota, Lagos. They deliver at your doorstep nationwide. Remember, Chinesco Lighting Company is your one-stop shop when it comes to electrical wirings and fittings.